Hello, Mr. Heap here, and I'm here to talk to you about getting Guizero set up on your computer. The first thing we need to check is in the lower left-hand corner. If you type in import Guizero, there's an error. And if yours works, great, you can skip the rest of this video. If it doesn't work, if it comes up with an error like this, we have some things to do. First off, we need to import Guizero into our computer. We need to put that package on our computer. And you can't do it when Thani looks like this. So we need to click in the upper right hand corner where it says switch to regular mode. And then we hit OK. And nothing happens. So we have to close out and open this back up again. I like this mode a lot better anyway. There's lots of, you can like change how your screen looks with tools options. But in this mode, we can go to Tools, Manage Package, and we're going to need to write Guizero, Guizero, and then we're going to find the package, and it couldn't find the package, so I had two R's, so let's find it if I spell it correctly. Alright, there it is, Guizero, Guizero, and then we click Install. And now we wait for a few seconds. Shouldn't be too long. It's collecting. I'm going to pause this as it does its work. So as soon as I hit pause, then it started, then it clicked. So I really didn't need to hit pause. But now if I come down here and type in import, I-M-P-O-R-T, Guizero, it should just click and go to the next line because now I can use it. So that is something that we need before we can start this chapter.